Abaqus tutorial, lesson 97, how to create spaceline. The video is very relaxed. Let's go. Okay, first create the cell planner. Should better the center at 0, 0. Okay, for example, okay, the center at 0, 0. Okay, create another plane on the surface. Click this. Okay, for example, the value okay, create another part, this red line. Okay, okay, the center at 0, 0. Oh, I don't care the value. This one, the first line, done. Second edge, done. Okay, okay. Create a middle surface. Enter value, flip. Okay, the value 20. Okay, choose this, select all, done. Okay, okay, how to create spaceline? Delete this. Done. Okay. Same operation. Okay. Delete. Okay. Assembly. Okay. Rotation. Done. J. Okay. Can merge. Merge. Retain. Okay, one part. Okay. You can create a very complex model. The method is very easy. Okay, if you think the video is helpful, subscribe. Okay, see you tomorrow on my Chinese WeChat. Okay, bye bye.